Okay, what's the pattern here for 36? Well, we see 3. 3 is really the same as 3 over what? Any whole number you can put over 1. Okay? So what's the pattern? Well, we're getting a 3 every time on the top. 3, 3, 3. The numerator is always 3. And what's happening to the denominator? Well, we've got 1, then we've got 2, then we've got 4, then we've got 8, then we've got 16. You should be able to, you want to be able to see at this point that this is doubling. And that means times 2. Okay? That times 2 is 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 32. So we should have a 32 on the bottom and always a 3 on the top. So 3 over 32. Okay, so that means it's not going to be that one, and it's not going to be that one. And then we want to, again, double. So we've got 3 over 32, and then we want to double it. We're not adding 2 every time. We're multiplying by 2. 32 times 2 is not 34. 32 times 2 is 64. So we've got 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64. And it's going to be D. And that sequence of numbers, 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, you should see that as powers of 2. Everything like repeatedly multiplying by 2 over and over and over again. That's a number that will come up a lot. In fact, it's used in binary code in computing, and if you ever get into computing, which a lot of people will, a lot of you may, then that's obviously something you're going to need to know. Now, what conjecture can you make about the 20th term in the pattern? Let's look what's happening here. We've got A, first term is A, third term is A, fifth term is A, seventh term is A. Every time we have an odd number, it's going to be A, because we're skipping it 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, all the way forever. Odd numbers are A. They're not asking us about an odd number. They're asking us about the 20th term, which is an even number. So it's definitely not going to be A. Okay? Not going to be A. A is always odd. Now, the other two letters are B and C. Where do they land? Well, B lands in the, let's mark it, 2nd, 6th. What happens to C? The 4th, the 8th. What do you know about the C values? 4, 8. Those are perfect multiples of the number 4. 4, 8, 12, 16. Multiples of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're at C. Again, another 1, 2, 3, 4. We're at C. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're always going to be 4 more will be at C. So 4, 8, 12, 16. And what's that plus 4? 20. That's the 20th term. What's the 20th term always? It's the green C. So it is going to be A. And if we were just looking at what's the pattern for B, well, B is increasing. It was at 2, 6, and we know that that's going to happen every fourth number. So 10, 14, 18. It's going to go every fourth number. So how do we get to this? How do we get to this number? Well, we do multiples of 4. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. And we're always then going 2 less than that, because you can see 2 less than C is going to be B. So right, a multiple of 4 minus 2 will give us a B value. Multiple of 4 minus 2 will give us a B. Multiple of 4, in this case 12, minus 2, 10 will give us B. 16, perfect multiple of 4, minus 2. So we're always going to get, instead of perfect multiples of 2, we'll get some perfect multiple of 2, and then less by 2. Or more, right? Go up by 2, you get at 6. Go up by 2, you get at 10. Go up here by 2, you get, right? Halfway between. So the 20th term is not going to be a B term, because the 20th term is an exact multiple of 4, not 2 above or 2 below it. So it's not going to be that. And of course, we do have enough information. It's not some crazy scattered pattern. It's a very predictable pattern. And so we have plenty of information to come up with the answer for that one. So cross that one out, and we've got 36 is going to be D, and 37 is going to be A.